One day, 30 became 60. Next, a bit slow some days. Just in a single day, 250, 300 subscribers also added because of one video. Okay. Yesterday, we uploaded a small. So, but I told to my team, sir, views are not coming. Some correction must be required. Like, don't worry. Continue the activity. At certain point, we will. So, why just 2 days or 3 days views are not there? Why you are worrying? Can you please continue this activity continuously? Okay, 3 months we completed, 6 months we completed, still we didn't get the result. Then we will think about correction. First, do this activity like. Then automatically, if you see the video, 1 view, 2 views, 3 views are there. Suddenly, day before yesterday, one video, it hit like anything. It came to 170, 1.7 lakhs. 1.7 lakhs views only for a small video. Yesterday, another video hit almost around 70,000 views for that video. So something like, we don't know, friend. Keep on doing. At certain point, the things are going to be connected. Then our life is going to be changed. But when that thing is possible, you require to do. Yeah, respond. You require to do
consistently.
The magic word. If you want to get compound result, the magic word you require to inject in your brain, in every cell of your body, small action, consistently, like a bigger result by default you are going to